Fuel filter replacement in details. Today we have a Mercury Villager AKN Nissan Quest with a V6 gasoline 3 liters Nissan engine under the hood. Let's pop the hood and get started. We have 296,000 kilometers on the clock. Let's locate our fuel filter. As you can see, fuel filter is located right by the firewall. Pretty easy to access, but a little bit tricky to get it out. But before we'll get started to remove the filter, let's run our fuel rail and fuel filter dry. Make sure we don't have any fuel pressure and fuel in a filter. Let's pull our 15 amp fuel pump fuse. As you can see, very easy. Here we go. 15 amp fuse is out. Now I'm going to start the engine and run it until we'll installed out. Let's put a fuse back. Keep your old reliable van on the road and that vehicle won't ever let you down. Okay, now we're ready to start removing the fuel filter, and yeah, we have to follow some basic steps, but safety is always first. Make sure you have a rubber gloves and a safety goggles always. Okay, let's spray a little bit of penetrating oil on that rusted hose clamp. I'm using a small stubby Phillips screwdriver to release that clamp. Let's pull that hose clamp up, and now I'm just using the pliers just to grab the old dry hose and pull it all the way out. As you can see, here we go. Upper part is disconnected. I just wrapped the towel around and put in a cap to just prevent any fuel spilling out what could be remaining in a filter. Yeah, if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. So let's pull the filter out of the holding bracket to get access to the bottom clamp, and the same way as we remove the upper one, let's spray a little bit of penetrating oil. It will make the removal a little bit easier, and get it with a long Phillips screwdriver to release that hose clamp. I'm using side wire cutters to just grab the hose and pry it up against the filter. Not much room, and it's an old filter, and it seems like that filter has been on the vehicle probably for at least 5-10 years, looks like to me. Pretty old, rusted. Okay, let's put an old filter in the box, and now we're going to install a new one, and we have to follow the flow direction. As you can see, we had a flow arrow, and same arrow we have on the bottom of the new filter showing us in. Means its fuel is coming in and it's coming out. Yeah, that's very important, the direction. Let's make a arrow. Here we go. That's how we're going to install our filter. Same way pretty much as we removed new filter. Yeah, maintenance is very important part of the vehicle operation. Okay, I'm going to just cut a 1/2 inch of all hose on both sides. It's old, it's dry, it's cracked, and I have tons of slack on the hose, and just prevent any fuel leaks. As you can see, yeah, same thing on the bottom. Yeah, okay, I'm started my filter connecting to the bottom fuel line. Here we go, it's in all the way in, and now I'm going to tighten the hose clamp. Pretty much straightforward from this point, and no any specialty removal tools required. Very easy to service, nice design by Nissan. Okay, let's put our filter back in the bracket. I have an upper hose fuel line attached to the filter. Let's tighten our hose clamp. Make sure it won't leak. Okay, all in place. Tools are cleaned, and let's just prime the fuel a few times. turning key to the on position, let the fuel pump to prime, turn it on, turn it off, and yeah, pump fuel up to pure air. The silent engine is running smooth, and this van was built back in 1995, but it still has tons of life to go. I'm going to check for any possible fuel leaks, and I don't have any so far. That's good. And yeah, thank you so much guys for your time watching this video. Very appreciated. And that's it for today. Very simple maintenance thing, just replacing a fuel filter. Take care, see you soon, bye bye.